Okay, you both know the rules to this grappling match. It's 5 minutes, submission only. Only way you can win is by submission. Other than that, it's a draw. Okay, good to go. Touch hands if you want to shake hands. Go back to your corners.
Getting messed up.
Timer, you ready?
I'll leave it on.
Grappler, you ready?
Yep.
Grappler, you ready? Let's grapple.
Let's go, crazy legs!
Shoot! Shoot!
Legs.
Ooh, disrespect.
Beanie on.
Oh,
Jesus.
Nothing.
Oh, there you go. Gonna get you an arm bar.
Check his oil. That collar tie.
Spin there.
Death
Busting my legs for a second.
Oh, I'm not supposed to be coaching.
Use his legs. You gotta take out crazy legs.
I think I hear Sasquatch.
Shoot, shoot!
See another shot. He's going to shoot. He's going to shoot first.
You gotta go under the elbow. Pop and lock it.
He's going to shoot first. Oh, and a good shot.
Oh.
Oh.
Do a front flip.
Tap.
Oh, God.
You all right?
Oh.
All right, you're a minute and 5 seconds or whatever it was. By 15 choke.
Minute 15.
Fire chicken.
I tried.